Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemonade popping boba. We'll be using a fun culinary technique called spherification to create these delightful, burstable pearls. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh lemon juice, sugar, and water for the lemonade. For the boba itself, you'll need food-grade sodium alginate and calcium lactate. Make sure you also have a blender, a dropper or syringe, and several bowls ready for the steps ahead. Now, let's prepare the lemonade base for our popping boba. In a pitcher, combine 1 cup of fresh lemon juice with 3/4 cup of sugar. Stir this mixture thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Next, add 4 cups of cold water. For the boba mixture, blend 200 milliliters of this lemonade with 3 grams of sodium alginate until smooth. It is crucial to refrigerate this alginate mixture for at least 1 hour. This allows any air bubbles to dissipate, which is key for perfectly round boba. With your lemonade alginate mixture chilled, it's time for the exciting spherification process. First, prepare your calcium bath by dissolving 6 grams of calcium lactate in 1 liter of water, stirring until clear. Next, fill a dropper or syringe with your lemonade alginate mixture. Hold the dropper about 3 to 4 inches above the calcium solution and slowly release individual drops. Each drop will instantly form a small sphere. Let these spheres sit in the calcium bath for about 1 minute to allow their delicate gel-like skin to fully form. After the boba have set, carefully remove them from the calcium bath using a slotted spoon. Transfer them to a bowl of clean, fresh water and rinse them thoroughly. This step removes any residual calcium solution. To store your freshly made popping boba, place them in a container filled with fresh lemonade and keep them refrigerated. They will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Now, you can serve your delightful homemade lemonade popping boba chilled, adding a fun burst of flavor to any drink or dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.